Hi, this is Chris from Duffy Floors, and today we're going to talk about hardwood floor maintenance. When you have a wood floor, especially in your kitchen, it receives a lot of use and abuse over the years. And anybody should get a good floor job, should get about 10 or 15 years out of it, but not in your kitchen because you've got so much more use and abuse in your kitchen. So we recommend that the kitchen floors get buffed down and recoated every 3 to 4 years or as quickly as you need it. But in the interim, on a weekly and daily basis, I recommend the hardwood floor cleaner made by the Bona company. Hardwood floor cleaner. Very important that you're using the hardwood floor cleaner. This product works really well. It comes with a spray bottle of solution. It comes with a microfiber mop head, terry cloth mop head with a swivel head on it. Makes it very easy to clean. And you can get additional terry cloth mop heads to throw in the laundry and keep them clean. And we also have this mop head, which is a dry mop. It's a microfiber dry mop. So when you're picking up the cat hair or the crumbs or things like that, that's what you can use without the solution. But to demonstrate, to throw this spray a little bit on the floor in your spot where you need to clean it, and then you just use the microfiber mop. And it does a great job. It gets in around all the legs. It's very quick and easy to use around the chairs, all of that. But it really does a great job. Now, if we're coming in to buff and recoat your floors and you've used this product, there won't be any problems at all. But if you have used any of these products, the Murphy's Oil Soap, the Bona Hardwood Floor Polish. Now, this is very important. The Bona Hardwood Floor Polish, okay? This is a product that you do not want to use on your wood floors. And there's Mop and Glow here. So each one of these products here contains a wax or silicone base. And this product, when it's built up on your floors, creates a buildup not only and dulls it down over time, but it inhibits from us coming in and doing a buffing and recoating because our polyurethanes won't adhere or stick to the initial contact of what's down there because it's got this silicone or wax base cleaner on it. So I would not recommend using these products. I would recommend using the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. It's a great mild product that really does a great job at getting things clean quickly. And then when you're cleaning your floors and you've got those hairline scratches in it and you've got those worn patches that you just can't get clean anymore, that's when you give us a call to come in and do a buffing and a recoating. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you've got any questions about your hardwood floor maintenance, go on my website to duffyfloors.com. There's a lot of information there. Or give me a call at 781-395-3418. This is Chris, signing off.